You have to try puppy yoga.
For Mother's Day this year, I took my mom to puppy yoga, and let me tell you, it was the greatest thing I've ever done. We got to hang out with 8-week-old golden retriever puppies. I mean, look at them. Shout out to the people at Puppy Love Yoga. This is not sponsored. I just loved my experience. They were super nice, and the dogs were so cute. The instructor was awesome. Here's my dad playing with the dogs. Look at that face. Are you joking? I have so much more footage. Should I make a part 2? Follow for more.